is about solve problems with data. Let's take a look at my PowerPoint. Um, yeah, common problem types. Let's take a look. Making predictions. Right now, we just speak out these terms, and you can think about whatever related to the terms. We'll explain later. Categorize things. Spotting something unusual. Identifying themes. Discovering connections. Finding patterns. All right. Google made a very descriptive picture about these terms in the reading part, which is very useful, so I posted. Sometimes picture speaks more than words. Every time when I read something, I just cannot understand those technical words, but if you give me a picture, oh, suddenly I got it. So see, making predictions. Of course, you making based on the data you analyze, you make some predictions in the future. Categorizing things. Also, see, look at this pie chart. Uh, you you can easily understand categorizing. Number three, spotting something unusual. Easy to understand. Number four, identifying themes. So number four is related to number two, categorize. You categorizing things firstly, and then you take further to those categorized items. You identify those categorized stuff into broader concept. A step further based on categorizing. Number five, discovering connections is this is talk about different entities have to share data, so the business model is more effective, just like e-commerce and the logistics. They have to share data, so after a customer purchase something, once the order is done, it has to be delivered very quickly, right? So between the between the seller and the delivery part, they had to be combined. Number six, finding patterns. Finding patterns is about based on the historical data. You find some pattern in historical data, and you kind of predict the future trend. It's kind of like um, the first one. So what's the difference between number five is number six is number five is kind of vertical, is between different entities, but number six is horizontal, is something over time. Alright, don't it's normal if you feel confused. I feel confused too. I just cannot memorize them. So let's look at the next. Alright, let's take a quiz to help you to review those terms and have a deep understanding. Solving problems with data. Number one, a data analyst identifies and classifies keywords from customer reviews to improve customer satisfaction. This is an example of which problem type. Classifies means categorizing things. Number two, the spotting something unusual problem type could involve which of the following scenarios? A data analyst and an art nonprofit classifies. Nope. A data insight help a landscape company envision what will happen in the future. Nope. A data analyst at a clothing retailer creates a list of common topics, categorize them. Nope. A data analyst working for an agricultural company examines why a data set has a surprising and rare data point. Yeah, unusual problem. Number three, a data analyst at an online retailer works with historical sales data. The analyst identifies repeating trends in the sales data. Which problem type? Finding patterns. Alright.